Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create an amazing window animation using the Morph transition in PowerPoint. Let's make your presentation stand out with this cool effect. So let's start the video. First, right click, go to Format Background and select Color. Then select a frame shape. This will represent our window. Drag it onto the slide. Choose a rectangle shape. Drag it. Both select Align Middle. Go to Merge Shape, select Union and click on Picture or Texture Fill. Again choose a rectangle, drag it, send to back. Increase the transparency which will make it look like glass. Select both and group them using Ctrl G. Right click, cut using Ctrl X and paste as a picture. Now let's add some creativity. Duplicate the rectangle. Go to Format Picture, click on Picture Transparency and increase to 100%. Select both and group them using Ctrl G. Duplicate again, go to Picture Format, select Clip Horizontal and adjust like this. Select both again, go to Format Picture, click on 3D Format and select this, increase depth size. Click on 3D rotation, select this from preset. When we open a window, we will create backdrop to reveal a new view outside. Select frame, drag it. Shape outline, make it no outline. And click on picture or texture fill. Right click, send to back. Go back to insert, click on picture and insert picture from this device. Decrease size and adjust like this. Change the color to. Right click, send to back. Once your window design is ready, duplicate the slide by right clicking on the slide thumbnail and selecting duplicate slide. On the duplicated slide, modify your window to simulate the movements. Select this and increase X rotation. Select this too and increase its rotation too. Now for the magic, go to the Transition tab and click on Morph. PowerPoint will automatically create a smooth animation between the two slides and increase duration. Finally, watch your animated window come to life. And there you have. It's a simple yet effective window animation using the Morph transition in PowerPoint. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to more amazing PowerPoint tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you.